Exercise 8-3 is looking at different pricing options. In this case, we have Portland Brewing Companies thinking about substituting or supplementing its offerings of beer for the October, November, December season. This is something that I guess some people like a demand for beer. Maybe they put eggnog in it or something or other. That sometimes they like putting different things, call it season, Christmas ale or Oktoberfest or whatever else. It's not quite what it is in Germany, but what can you say? People put some different ingredients in, and so there might be something that might appeal to seasonal customers, might attract more customers who otherwise wouldn't buy. But on the other hand, what happens is that if you do sell some of these seasonal options here, for every 1,000 seasonal that you sell, you lose some standard or regular sales. So the question is, can it be profitable to go ahead and do this? And given that we might be, and if so, should we, which price do we charge? And so we're given a couple different considerations here. If we charge a premium for the seasonal option, we would receive $7 for that instead of the $6 that we ordinarily do. But then we would sell only 1,000, whereas if we charge the same amount as the regular price, regular beers, we'd be able to sell 2,000 6-packs. So what we look at here is option 1, charge $7 per 6-pack for seasonal. So the incremental benefit then would be that we would sell 1,000 units at $7 a piece of the seasonal one. So we'd have $7,000 to the good. Now we want to think about the incremental costs, and underneath here, what I'll do is just kind of put the indentation in here. So we have our variable production costs. So that would be $1.20 multiplied by the 1,000 units. And then we also have to consider the lost contribution from regular or from standard. So in our standard sales, we would have $6 per unit minus $1.20 or $4.80 multiplied by the number of units that we lose. And so in this case, since we're selling 1,000, we would lose 300. Make sure that we put this dollar amount here. So the net benefit would be 7,000 to the good minus both the actual cost, variable production costs, and our lost contribution from the other sales. So that we would be ahead 4,360. Option 2 would be charge $6 per 6-pack for seasonal. So again, the incremental benefit, and I think what I'll do is just copy these down. And I guess here we lost a little bit of the formatting, so we'll go ahead and fix that here. So the incremental benefit, if we have so we go back to this demand schedule, we have $6 per unit multiplied by 2,000. So we have 12,000 coming in. Our variable production cost would be the $1.20 multiplied by the 2,000, or 2,400. And then our loss contribution from the standard, well, now in this case, we would lose $6 minus $1.20 per 6-pack multiplied by, well, here we have 300 per 1,000, but then we also have to multiply that by 2 since we're going to be selling 2,000 of these. So we want to make sure we don't understate that loss contribution. So we lose twice as much contribution here as we did earlier. But then when we take this formula and copy it down here, we see that we're ahead $6,720. Well, since 6720 is greater than 4360, we're better off by charging $6 for the seasonal beer and increasing the total number of units sold. So in other words, we would have standard, we'd have 1,000, we'd lose 600, so it'd be at 9,400, and then we'd add 2,000, so it would be 11,400. So total, so if you think about total 6-packs, we'd have 1,000 regular minus 300 minus 300 plus 2,000. So we'd increase our number of units sold to 11,400 here.